The two-day Tripura NCC Fest 2025 commenced today with a ceremonial inauguration at the Tripura Institute of Technology in Narsingarh, graced by the presence of Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha. The festival, aimed at promoting the values of the NCC among the youth, saw enthusiastic participation from a large contingent of NCC cadets and high-ranking officials.
25 by customary lighting of the lamp.
Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Saha officially inaugurated the event by lighting the ceremonial lamp, marking the formal beginning of the two-day festivities. Before the inauguration, the Chief Minister was accorded a traditional guard of honor by NCC cadets. The presence of the Chief Minister and top defense and administrative brass underscored the state government's commitment to youth development and national service through the NCC. The two-day fest at TIT is expected to feature a diverse range of activities, including competitions, cultural programs, and training demonstrations, all designed to showcase the discipline, spirit, and skills of the NCC cadets.
Today, as we stand here on the 4th December, we are not just celebrating a festival. We are celebrating the spirit of discipline, what I've said already, the spirit of unity, and the spirit of service, and defines the National Cadet Corps. Seeing the sea of khaki and the bright faces of our youth assembled here, I am reassured that the future of Tripura is in safe hands and capable hands. The National Cadet Corps, that is NCC, was established in India on July 5th, 1948 under the NCC Act. Its footprint in Tripura has grown steadily over the decades. NCC is not merely an organization, it is a movement. It is the largest uniformed youth organization in the world. Historically, NCC events were strictly regimental, focusing primarily on drill and weaponry. But Tripura NCC Fest represents an evolution of these traditional formats. Tripura NCC Fest 2025 stands as a landmark celebration of youth, discipline, and national service in the state of Tripura. It serves as a vibrant platform to showcase the potential of Tripura's cadets. It bridges the gap between the uniformed services and the civil society of Tripura, allowing the public to witness the grooming of their youth. The core aim of Tripura NCC Fest 2025 aligns with the NCC's motto of unity and discipline, but with specific actionable objectives for this region. This event will serve as a homecoming and allowing successful cadets to mentor current batches for creating a cycle of inspiration and guidance. Tripura being a disaster-prone region, as you know, the fest highlights the recent training of cadets as first respondent, that is, Apta Midro, under the National Disaster Management Authority initiative, validating their new role in state safety. In this era of rapid technological change and global challenges, the character of a nation is defined by the character of its youth. When you wear this uniform, you rise above caste, creed, religion, and community.
The inaugural function was attended by a host of distinguished personalities including Rabal Hemendra Kumar, Special Secretary of the Education Department, Brigadier KJ Singh, Deputy Director General of the NCC Directorate, Northeastern Region Brigadier Anand Raj Singh, Group Commander of the NCC Group, and other senior NCC officers and officials. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.